Let's check out how to use the AI assistant to simplify writing all of your content. So, click on the robot icon in the right side corner. From here, you can see documents you've already worked on, or you can click New Document and go to Select Template and choose whether you want to do a blog idea, a headline, or something else. From here, make sure you have the correct output language, and you can write in your company brand name. Then, write a little description of what services you offer. And then click Generate. Now the AI system will offer you lots of different content. When you see one you like, click the plus icon to add it. And now you can use our design tools to customize it. Sign up for free on Simplified.co to start using the AI assistant to help you write content today. See you then!